begins with a single decision.
A decision to defy gravity.
In the most hostile environment on Earth.
One weak link, one microscopic fracture,
and millions of dollars sink to the abyss.
This is not just a machine!
It is a lifeline. This is how the heavy lifters are born.
but before it can lift mountains.
It must be torn from a mountain. This is the genesis of heavy industry.
The rock here is 60% pure hematite.
The timer on the detonator counts down. 3, 2,
to build the strongest crane.
You need the hardest blood.
These tires cost as much as a luxury car.
For the truck, it's a spine-crushing test.
The ore begins its migration.
From the pit.
From the pit to the crusher.
This red powder is the DNA of our crane.
But it's still raw, weak, useless.
To become steel, it needs fire.
The raw earth arrives at the coast.
The journey takes 3 weeks.
Maintain course. Full power ahead. We have to push through this swell.
The cargo is hungry for oxygen.
Welcome to the blast furnace.
The rock surrenders.
This is the moment of alchemy. We inject pure oxygen.
What remains is grade AH36 high tensile steel.
The skeleton of our giant.
These plates are heavy enough to crush a tank.
Now they go to the craftsman.
Here, size is the only metric that matters.
But first, they must be stripped. Impurities are the enemy of the weld.
But it's just a flat sheet.
To build a boom arm, we need shapes.
We cut underwater to stop the steel from warping. Complex geometric shapes are cut from the plate. Precision is measured in microns.
But why this shape? When a crane lifts 500 tons.
We cheat physics with geometry.
Triangles don't bend, they transfer.
Meet the press.
The die descends. It touches the steel.
Two U-shaped beams are placed facing each other. A box. We close the box.
This will be the crane's boom.
Now, we fuse them forever.
The arc ignites under the powder. No flash, just a glow. The violence happens underneath.
The robot moves down the 50-foot seam. Perfect consistency. A human hand shakes. A robot never blinks.
The revealed weld. It looks like a stack of silver coins. A seamless joint. Stronger than the parent metal.
The main boom is lifted. It is 80 meters long. The arm is ready. But an arm needs a shoulder. The slewing bearing.
This is the most expensive part of the ship. This ring carries the entire weight of the crane.
And allows it to rotate 360 degrees.
Tolerance? 0.05 millimeters.
A hair is too thick. If this fails, the crane falls off the ship.
The winch drum. A cylinder the size of a truck. Next, the muscle.
We carve grooves for the cable.
If the cable overlaps, it snaps.
Installing the hydraulic motors. They are massive black boxes. These motors pump 5,000 psi.
The lifeblood of the beast.
Ready to pull the world.
Meet Kim. 이 부분이 중요합니다. 여기 표시된 대로 정확하게 이음매를 용접하세요.
See Sanbo?
Points and cost lives.
The ultrasound is online and ready for the forensic examination, Your Honor.
Very well. Proceed.
No good.
There is no negotiation.
Fast.
The body is strong. Now it needs a brain.
But electronics can fail.
So we build in the fail-safes.
If power dies, gravity takes over.
The limit switch on the boom tip. It physically cannot pull itself apart.
But calculations are just guesses.
We have to torture it.
We push it to 110% of its capacity.
It holds. It survived. Now, the enemy changes.
Salt water is acid to steel.
It bonds chemically.
Coat 3. Polyurethane shield. This is not vanity. It is armor.
Dirty work, essential work.
The beast is dressed. Time to leave the nest.
To lift a giant, you need a titan.
Attaching shackles the size of a human torso. The lift rigging alone weighs 20 tons.
Easy down. Hold it. Hold the line. Stop the crane.
Easy now, just a fraction left.
Holding steady.
Okay, set it down. Confirm contact.
Okay, hit it. Locked in. Move to the next one.
A bin full of twisted steel shavings from the lathe. But in this factory, death is temporary.
Every shaving, every cut off.
This is it. Order 509. We start immediately.
Right away, sir. The team is ready.
The cycle never stops. The ship is a small dot in the ocean, heading to the deep oil fields of Brazil.
It started as red dust in Australia.
Blasted.
Forged by human hands.
Now, it builds the future.
$1 million view.